Another very interesting question is application of linear equation. You can use linear equation one variable as well as two variable. So whenever if possible, always apply linear equation one variable so that you will get the correct answer. If you apply linear equation two variable, you will get one linear expression, not the solution. A father is 3 times as old as his son. Two persons, father and son. 3 times as old as his son. After 12 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Find the percentage of father and son. So better if you always apply linear equation one variable. So how to differentiate? Very simple. Write both the condition in one single variable. So first, whenever the problem is related with age related problem, always assume the present age of the given persons. So here the present age, don't forget this, present age of son equal to x years, present age of son, and present age of father is not y years, 3x. If you apply y years, it becomes linear equation two variable, but here 3x years. Why it is 3x years? Because that is given in the question. Father is 3 times as old as his son. Father is 3 times as old as his son. So present age of father is son is x and present age of father is 3x. After 12 years means you have to add 12 with both the persons. So after 12 years, what is the father's age? Father's age is, after 12 years, father is 3x plus 12 years. And after 12 years, what is the son's age? Son's age is x plus 12. After 12 years, add 12 with both the person's age. After 12 years, he will be twice. Yes, father is after 12 years, father is 2 times son. Father is 2 times son. Father's age is 2 times son's age. So father's age after 12 years is 3x plus 12 and son's age is 2 into x plus 12. Now which implies 3x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 24. 3x minus 2x equal to 24 minus 12. So x equal to 12. When x equal to 12, what is x actually? The present age of son. Therefore, present age of son equal to 12 years, and present age of father is 3x, 3 times. So 3 into 12, 36 years. 3 into 12, 36 years. It's one of the interesting sum. You can expect either in section C or D. Father's age depends on son's age, and hence you can assume in the same variable. Okay, you can practice similar sum in linear equation one variable. You will get maximum mark in this chapter. Thank you.